Hey guys, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today we're doing a perfect platinum pixie, but I'm not going to show the process, just the end result. Unfortunately, with the nature of this service, I wasn't able to show the entirety of the process, but I wanted you guys to see how I was able to take my client from her natural hair that was less than 1.5 inches and bring her to a solid white, like winter white platinum. And I was able to achieve this without actually giving her a relaxer. That is the magic behind the Perfect Platinum Pixie. And of course, I am a Perfect Platinum Pixie specialist, so I'm able to offer this service. Yes, I'm trained to offer this service. Now, if you guys notice, I am doing what I call white waves, and I use our Elite Silk Wrap Foam for her waves. Now, the good thing about the Elite Silk Wrap Foam is it does not come with a tint on it, so it will not tint the hair or change the color, which is very important when you're dealing with the Perfect Platinum Pixie. Now, for this particular service, as I said, you do have to be 100% natural, and you will have to go down to 1.5 inches or less in length of hair, period. But I can tell you guys this as well. My client did also have a case of alopecia, and we were able to mask that in her crown. And she also salt and pepper. So this color came out fierce. You're okay. Fierce, you guys. Like I said, this was a really quick video, and I wanted you guys to be able to see this particular service in respects to the end result, and that she is relaxer free but still bone straight. Hey, don't forget, comment in the box, tell me what you think about the Perfect Platinum Pixie, tell me what you guys think about our Elite Silk Wrap Foam, and tell me what you guys thought about these waves. Take these waves in, you guys. Let's get it in. Take it in. Let it sink in, and then hit that subscribe button, because I have so much more in store for you guys. But thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, but you can finish watching the wave.